there, I'm Milo, a yellow lab. Like all of my friends, I'm a puppy. I have lots of brothers and sisters. So do my friends, the chocolate labs. Many other puppies live nearby. We were born in the winter. Now it's summertime, and we get to play outside. To celebrate, I'm going to have a puppy party. Everyone's excited. They're jumping out of bed and leaping for joy. I sent out invitations to all of my friends. They're running over right now. Would you like to meet them? They're all right here in Puppy Party. You're invited too. We'll play games, go for a swim, have some snacks, and maybe take a rest so that we can do it all over again. You'll meet lots of different puppies, from playful Aussies to curious beagles to hilarious bulldogs to furry Newfoundlands and cuddly golden retrievers. Plus, Puppy Party is filmed in high definition, so it looks incredible. It also comes with a slideshow of amazing facts about each of the 25 puppy breeds. Yes, Puppy Party is the biggest puppy playdate ever. Won't you come play with us?
Into the loop with their 7 friends, solving trouble with super senses. Every day, a silly surprise, a fun reason to sensitize. Noonbory and the Super 7, saving Tuvaluva again and again, yeah. Noonbory and the Super 7, there's nothing that they can do. Common sense is taking flight. With a little nonsense along the way. Now we're on track and Noonbory leads the Noonbory and the Super 7, saving Tuvaluva again and again, yeah. Noonbory and the Super 7, there's nothing that they can't do. Noonbory and the Super 7, Noonbory and the Super 7.
Welcome to WordWorld. Our word friends love to build a word. It's time to build a word. Let's build it. Let's build it now. That's WordWorld, where words come alive, words save the day, and where words become a child's best friend. WordWorld.
I love this show! You gotta check out these mighty machines. There's building ones, and blasting ones, and lifting, crushing, and racing ones.
Mighty machines.
And I can watch my DVDs whenever I want. Each one is a cool, rumbling, roaring 90 minutes long.
Mighty machines.
Mighty machines. Sweet.
Mighty machines.
Hey, is this thing on? Hey, Sid, what do you say? What you want to learn today? I want to know what things happen and how, and want to know everything now. Oh, yeah. How does this thing work? Why does that stuff change? How does that do what it just did? What's up with the sky? You think I can fly? The world is spinning and I want to know why. I got a lot of questions and big ideas. I'm Sid the Science Kid.
Hello, Pato. Toddlers simply adore Pocoyo because he's just like them. He takes them on adventures simple enough for them to understand and certainly enjoy. Now on DVD, Pocoyo, the little boy with the insatiable curiosity, just like your little one.
Got a head of fiery hair and a turbocharged backpack. His genius sisters use him like a lab rat. The big freak dad at home is super busy mom. The boy's best friend is a talking dog. Three extreme genes in an air-breathing shark. Mega action game control skating in the park. A pharaoh booster bling bling. What do we make of this? Johnny Test. Johnny Test. This is a life of a boy named Johnny Test. Johnny Test. Johnny Test. This is a life of a boy named Johnny Test.
Everybody! Who, what, when, where, why, how? Solve a mystery! Who, what, when, where, why, how? All together! Who, what, when, where, why, how? Huckle Cat, you and me! Who, what, when, where, why, how? Who, what, why, how? Who,